How to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop 2023. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do this, what we need to do is to just head over to our browser and search for scanqr.org. So just search for that. So let me correct this one first. And then this will head you to this one. So what you need to do is just click on this scan now right here, and in here you can just drag the screenshot of the Wi-Fi QR code from your phone. So for me, I will just drag this one. So let's drag what we downloaded. So here it is, just add this in here, and then as you can see, this is the result. So what we need to do is just head over to our search bar, search for Wi-Fi right here, and open this Wi-Fi settings. So what we need to do is to just head over and click this manage known networks, click on add network, and then the network name should be this one right here, which is this S. So just copy the S and then paste it in here, and then for the security type it should be WPA2, and then on the security key just click on copy this P right here, then put in here like this and click on connect automatically and click on save. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.